Hi everyone, this is Vivek from Tech 101. Today I'll show you how you can add your project to GitHub. So without any delay, let's start our video. Before starting our video, be sure to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to receive the notification of our upcoming videos. So for this, I'm assuming that you already have Git installed on your device and you have a GitHub account. So if you haven't installed Git yet, then you can download Git from the link given in the description, and you can make account in GitHub by following some simple steps. So after creating a GitHub account, go to github.com. And then you can see the icon of plus in the top right corner near your profile icon. Click there and click on new repository, and here in this field you have to give your repository name. Let me give Nepali GK. If you want to give description of this repository, then you can give description. After this, you can choose the visibility of your repository, either it is public or private. So let's make it private, and then click on create repository. Now you can see the screen like this, and here are some instructions that we need to follow. So now go to the directory where your project files are located. Once you are in that directory, right click on that and click on git bash here. Now you can see the black window like this. Here you have to type some commands. You can find these commands in the description below. So at first you have to type git init. This will initialize your repository. Now you have to enter git add space dot, and this will add all your project files in that repository. After this, git you have to type git commit and message here. You can type first commit. Now click enter. Now you have to change the branch to main. So for this, enter git branch hyphen capital M and main. Now get back to github.com, and you have to copy this code and paste it here in Git. Now you have to type git push -u origin main. Now it will prompt you to enter your GitHub username and password. So let me enter my username. And here you have to enter your password. After this, you can see the process running like this. And let's check either our repository. Okay, all the files are uploaded successfully in our repository. So let's see by reloading this page. As you can see here, all the files of my project are available here. So that's easy. So guys, how was this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps shown here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.